Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, we're going to delve into Dremina AI, a truly powerful AI-driven platform that sits within the CapCut ecosystem. Dremina AI lets you turn text or reference photos into unique images using AI, with video and avatar generation coming soon, unlocking even more creative power. Getting started with Dremina AI is easy. Just sign in using your Google account. A major plus is the generous free tier, which lets you explore key features without any cost. All right, let's move on to a practical demonstration of how you can generate your first AI image with Dremina AI. Once you've signed in and landed on the Dremina AI platform, you'll encounter its main interface. This typically includes sections for image generation, our focus for now, and potentially video or AI avatar generation, which might be in beta or coming soon. To begin, you'll select the image generator. The very foundation of creating images with AI lies in what we call the text prompt. This is where you type a description of the image you envision. Your prompts can be as simple as a cat or as richly detailed as a photorealistic image of a ginger cat wearing a miniature astronaut helmet seated on a cratered lunar surface, with Earth visible in the distant background. Wow, what a cool image. Beyond text prompts, you can often utilize a reference image, which is optional but can greatly guide the AI. When using a reference, you can typically direct the AI on how to interpret it, whether to focus on a specific object, capture human facial features, character, edge, depth, or pose. In my case, I chose to focus on the character. We then select an appropriate aspect ratio, say 16:9 for a widescreen look. Enter our descriptive prompt, like a man in a modern office, and leave the quality settings at their default for this initial attempt. Clicking Generate initiates the AI process. The AI will then process your input and typically within a short time, present several image variations based on your prompt and reference. In my case, the final results consistently featured the same person across different images, which I really liked. You can then review and download the versions you prefer. But generating the image is just the first step. Dremina AI also offers a suite of integrated editing tools to refine your creation. Upscale improves your image's resolution and sharpness, resulting in a clearer, high-definition result. Click Upscale, and your image will be processed into a higher quality version automatically. Retouch smooths imperfections and enhances specific areas for a polished look. Click Retouch to let the AI clean and refine facial features, textures, or noise. Inpaint perfect for targeted edits. Paint over any area to change, then guide the AI with a prompt. Select Inpaint, brush over the object you want to change, and type prompts like change to red or remove something you want. Expand extends your image by generating more visual content beyond the current borders. Click Expand, pick the direction, rushes, top, bottom, left, right, and type a prompt or leave it blank, like Add Landscape, to let the AI extend naturally. Remove erases selected parts of the image intelligently. Click Remove, then highlight the object or area you want gone. AI will fill the space with contextual content. Regenerate recreates a new version of your image from the same prompt for variation. Reprompt lets you rewrite your input prompt for a different creative direction. Generate video at not available now. For even more granular control, look for the Edit on Canvas feature. This typically opens a dedicated advanced editing environment where you can access a particularly powerful and convenient function. Remove background. Upon selecting this tool, the AI will usually automatically detect and select the primary subject. With a confirmation click, the background is swiftly removed, isolating your subject. An excellent feature indeed. Finally, once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, you'll want to export it. Clicking the Export button will usually present you with options to choose your file format, like JPEG for general-purpose images, or PNG if you need a transparent background, and select the desired size or resolution, perhaps the original generated size or an upscaled version. Make your selections, click Download, and the image is yours. This overview should provide you with a foundational understanding of how to utilize a platform like CapCut's Dremina AI for AI-powered image generation and editing. And remember, the availability of that free tier makes it an excellent resource for both learning and creative experimentation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.